Accompanying the chief guests are our esteemed chairperson, Shilpa Ravi ma'am, secretary, Rama Devi ma'am, academic director, Shashi ma'am, administrator, Reshmi ma'am, and fellow dignitaries, guided by the school's principal, Bharati ma'am.
Marching with pride in their crisp uniforms, the council members escort the chief guest, radiating poise and prestige.
A dream, started with a deadline, evolves into a goal dissected into steps, crafts a strategy fueled by actions, turns aspirations into triumphs.
सफलता हमें ऊंचाइयों तक ले जाती है, पर संतोष और परिश्रम लक्ष्य तक पहुंचाता है।